warm, fluffy tandoori bread pockets filled with cheesy chicken filling, pure comfort food with Indus Tandoori Masala. First, let's heat up some butter in a pan until it's melted. Toss in some diced onions and let them sizzle until they are turned translucent. Add in fragrant Indus Ginger Garlic Paste and saute until your kitchen smells amazing. Now it's time to add the chicken. Cook until color changes. Next, sprinkle in Indus Tandoori Masala, allowing it to coat the chicken with its rich and spicy goodness. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Lower the heat and stir in some creamy yogurt. Continue cooking until the chicken is perfectly tender. And don't forget to toss in some handful of chopped coriander to brighten it all up. Now let's set aside the delicious filling to cool completely. Grab some bread slices and cut them into squares. Spoon that filling into the center, and if you are feeling cheesy, throw in some cheese for that extra kick. Place another slice on top, press the seal, and we are almost there. Dip each pocket into a beaten egg and then roll into breadcrumbs until it's well coated. Deep fry these pockets until they are golden brown and crispy. Once they are done, take them out and let them drain on a paper towel to soak up that extra oil. And that's it. Crispy tandoori bread pockets ready to be served with your favorite Indus Spicy Mayo Sauce. Don't forget to check out the Indus Spices and Sauces for a perfect meal.